Welcome to our kitchen. Today's dish, classic Shoyu Ramen, a culinary delight. We start with ramen noodles perfectly cooked. A pot of savory broth is bubbling, seasoned with umami-rich sauce. Your noodle canvas awaits in a bowl, ready for the broth. Upon this, we place chashu pork or chicken, topped by a soft-boiled egg. Nori, green onions, and bamboo shoots add colors and textures to this masterpiece. Optional toppings like corn or mushrooms allow for customization. Serve this hot bowl of comfort and enjoy the reaction. Classic Shoyu Ramen, a delight in every bite. Loop this video for your convenience and enjoy the art of ramen making. Thank you all for joining in the kitchen today. Our classic Shoyu Ramen isn't just about noodles, broth, or toppings. It's about the love, time, and care you invest in every step, from choosing ingredients to simmering the broth to assembling the bowl. This turns a simple ramen into a culinary masterpiece. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Here, we're about creating food that nourishes, pleases, and warms the heart. No matter your kitchen skill, there's a place for you in this community. Until next time, happy cooking. Remember, the kitchen is where magic happens, and you're the magician. Let's create some magic together.